What's up guys, Ivan here, and this is the new facelifted Mercedes AMG C63S Coupé. So this is the new facelift model in beautiful designer graphite grey magno color, which is a matte color. And it looks, from the beginning, you can maybe think it looks like a matte black, but in reality it's more like a maybe satin black or matte grey. This car has a characteristic Panamericana grille in the front, as you can see, and it looks very wide thanks to the wider front wheel arches. And now view from the side, it has very beautiful coupe shape, and this is just a gorgeous car and very nice facelift. So the car looks even better than before, and it has a lot of improvements also in the interior, so wait for that. Later in the video I will show you. So you can see it is very wide, a lot wider than a standard car, and also wider than C43 AMG. And these are the daylight running stripe and also the new multi-beam LED lights. Panamericana grille. You have also the large air intakes in the front. This car has a night package, so some of these parts would be chrome if you don't have a night package. So as you can see here, these are the multi-beam LED headlights, the LED headlights which can cut out the ongoing traffic very nicely, so you don't blind others, but you see the most possible. You have the best visibility, you have the AMG logo in the front grille, and these are the intakes. This black part would be chrome if you don't have the night package. Also you can see some other bits for the diffuser. This is like an integrated front lip into the front bumper. And from the side, if we take a look at this front, you can see it has like a cut front, so it has a very aggressive even from the side. And these multi-beam LED headlights consist from three parts. One is a main headlight. As you can see, it has like a blue graphics, and then you have two separate projectors. And yeah, they can cut out, as I said, ongoing traffic. They also look gorgeous, a lot better than the standard high-performance LED headlights. You have these two power domes in the bonnet, in the hood. It looks a lot more aggressive with it. So yeah, just a gorgeous car. Now the sun is out, you can see more than this is a gray color. And these are also these forged wheels. These are in satin black or matte black color. And you have like a silver lip around the wheel. So with the AMG logo also in silver. Center cap you have also. And the carbon ceramic brakes, which are optional brakes. These are the best brakes with the bronze or gold calipers. They are drilled for ventilation. You have Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, which are sticky tires, very good tires, 255, 35, 19 inch. And in the back we have larger tires, V8 bi-turbo sign in the front fender. The mirror caps are in black color. With the carbon package you can have them also in carbon. And the trim around the window is also in black because of the night package. So when we open the fuel cover, you can see this car needs 90 octane minimum, and also the tire pressure at certain speeds. You can see it there. So if you open the bonnet, you need to release this. Yes, and if you open this bonnet, you can see this magnificent engine. So this is the 4.0 liter V8 bi-turbo engine. This is with a hot V setup with two turbochargers. This is the man which handcrafted this engine in a Falterbach, and this engine produces 510 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque, 375 kilowatts. From 0 to 100 kilometers per hour it can sprint in 3.9 seconds, and to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. So this is really fast vehicle. You have also the 250 kilometers per hour, which is electronically limited top speed, but with the optional AMG drivers package you can push this speed to 290 kilometers per hour. So this engine is coupled with AMG Speed Shift MCT 9-speed transmission, multi-clutch transmission, and it has very short response times. You can also see the reservoir for the windshield wipers, for the fluid, and on the other side you have a car battery, as I'm going to show you now. So this is a cover for the car battery. And maybe you didn't know, every AMG engine, every part has like a QR code, and that is digitally archivated. So if you have a problem with some part, they can backtrace it and they can solve the problem much quicker thanks to that method. So now we can close the bonnet. And now we can take a look at the rear part of the vehicle. So I reparked the car so we can see it better from this angle, and this paint is just magnificent. So I just want to let you know that with this paint, if you scratch or if someone scratches with just one panel, you need to repaint the whole car. And that's because this is a matte paint, so not just this specific color, but the method, the matte paint. So you can see on the left side you have an AMG badge, and on the right side you have a C63S badge, and only the S model has the race mode. So if you want race mode, you need the S model of the C63S Coupé. So we have 4 exhaust pipes, which are in black because of the night package, and they have AMG logo on the exhaust tips. It looks really nice. This is a tow hook, and you have 4 exhaust pipes total. They are like a cosmetic pipes. The real exhaust is behind them, and you can see this is a new diffuser. So with the facelift you have much more aggressive diffuser, and yeah, just gorgeous. You have a little lip on the boot, so yeah, this is a really nice detail. This lip is not huge, it's very subtle, but it is very nice to complement the performance. So here you have 2 cameras for the Distronic, and also for the lights, for the multi-beams, and for the other assists. So just a gorgeous car. You have also the side skirt in black because of the night package, and this is the panoramic roof, which I will show you in the inside, all the details, and in the back you have the body color. So let's now open the doors and check out this magnificent and gorgeous interior. So as you can see, the new steering wheel and digital panels, and these are the comfort seats, really nice black AMG Napa leather, and the Falterbach headrest logo, so just magnificent illuminated AMG door trim. Okay, so I just want to show you what is new from the distance, from the rear seats, and if you're curious if I have enough space here, then watch and see. So these are the new digital screens, instrument cluster, and this is the command system. You have new steering wheel with these hotkeys, and you can see this decor here, and yeah, this is beautiful new steering wheel, a new style, and that's that. So now I can show you that in a close-up from the front seat. So let's go. For the loud startup, as I showed you, you need to turn the ignition on. Then you need to put it in a race mode or Sport Plus. And when you start the button, you need to hold the flappy pedal, upshift pedal. So let's do it. So yeah, that's the loudest setting. We can put it back into comfort. Alright guys, so let's check the interior of this beast mode car. So this is AMG Napa leather in black color, very soft and very nice leather. This is aluminum door trim, and these are the memory seats, fully electric seats, seat heating, seat ventilation, and Burmester sound speaker. Ventilation, these are the settings for the assistance. So this is the Distronic and Distronic Plus. You have settings for the lights, parking lights on each side. These are parking lights, automatic lights, and these are the main beams. This is the new style steering wheel. So as you can see, this is a flat on the bottom and flat on the sides. This is a dual combination of a Dynamica which is here on the sides, and down is an upper ladder. You have here also this at 12 o'clock, this silver part. New style instrument cluster, digital instrument cluster, 12.3 inch and also 12.3 inch command system. Alright, so with this part on the steering wheel you control the instrument panel, and with this one you control the command system. So these are the optional hotkeys. So you can change the dynamic select the driving style of the vehicle when you turn it, and it has a little display. And you can also see the RPMs rise when you go to Sport Plus. So this is the toggle for the indicators, and you can press this button and you will have a windshield washer. You can also flash on someone with this toggle, as you can see here. You can see how this looks from the behind. It's very nice interior, it's fantastic. So yeah, just best in class, I think. Alright guys, so that's it for this review. I'm very happy that I could bring you this full in-depth review, exterior, interior and infotainment. So guys, if you like this video, then share it with your friends, like this, and also subscribe to the channel for plenty more videos. There are coming a lot exciting videos to the channel, also from other countries, not just Slovakia and Czech Republic, so stay tuned for that. So guys, that's it, and as always, have a great day.